was thick ice. Got over. Come to life now. Right? All right, guys. Kind of happened too quick. Turn the camera on. We just dropped 3. Spent most of the morning busting open ice. You've seen a little bit of that. Pretty much, we're just tucked in a slough. Just got them all kind of piled up in the middle, a little bit of motion. A lot of ducks flying this morning. Just they ain't wanting to give it up just right yet.
What goes up?
Well, y'all, sun's coming up. The way we set up a little late. We set up on the wrong side. Got it coming up right in our face. Ducks are starting to do it, but by the time we see them and it's time to shoot, I ain't had time to turn the camera on. So we got 3 down over. We already picked up. I showed y'all. We got 1 more in the ice we're gonna get. We're gonna get the boat and switch sides, so we got the shade kind of helping keep us camo, but kind of what we got going on. Hopefully, I ain't as good a cameraman as Ethan. Hopefully I can get a little better on the next few.
Hey, Mike.
He's going down. Look at the wad of them right there. There's a wad coming down the slough.
Yeah.
What's you got there, Wayne?
Some bean or sausage, just some wiener.
Old snack man. Morning 2 out in Ballard County public duck hunting. Got drawn on a walk-in today for the stand-up line, so boats are useless today. Well, for us at least. The other guys got a boat in same area. But it's 4 a.m. right now. We're packing up the trucks to get out there and clearing out everything out of the hotel. Hopefully today's at least as good as yesterday. All right, bird dog's going out. He did.
He takes it a second.
Oh. There we go. No, he's smaller than the ones we were shooting yesterday. No, I didn't get it on film. That's what I was gonna tell the camera. Sorry guys, we got 2 more on down, 4 total right now. It's kind of hard. Same situation we had yesterday. As much as I want to film, I also want to kill ducks, and they're burning in from this right corner. And by the time we even see them, it's either shoot or don't. So I ain't really having a whole lot of time to turn the camera on. Kind of same situation yesterday. They're just dumping in that timber, and by the time we seen him, it was a 20-yard shot. Either shoot him or don't. So it's kind of what we got going on. We've had birds flying all day, a lot of them high, but they either completely like the spread or completely don't. There is no in between here today. They're dumping in or they're not even looking twice. Kill them. Just got back from my Western Kentucky duck hunt past couple of days. I didn't really get to film as much as I wanted. The way the birds were coming in, it'd be like, it seemed like it was 30 minutes of me calling, nothing happening, and then I turned the camera off, and then boom, they dump in. It's either pull the trigger or click the record button, and I'm a duck hunter, not a photographer, so I know I got a couple good kill shots, and I know there's plenty of action of just birds flying over and working them, but boys are out here checking out some of the birds I brought home. What do you think?
Yeah!
We're actually getting ready to go on a goose hunt in a couple hours for evening hunt, so I'm getting a few things together. I'm gonna take them, get a little lunch, and then we're heading back out to the field again to hopefully have a lot better video. And yeah, stick around and see what happens, guys.